Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to learn about objects in JavaScript. And please ignore, okay, my laptop's battery is low, but we are going to ignore it. And let's make a new file, give it a name script.js, okay. And let's see what's an object is, okay. So as usual, first we are going to write the definition, okay. What's an object? An object is something that consists values, not exactly values, but we are going to say data, okay, that consists data in key value form, okay, format. Yeah, that's also cool. So please ignore these suggestions if you think that where these suggestions comes from. So it comes from the Codium, right? This one, this Codium AI. This is actually cool AI, which actually gives a lot of code assertions. But let's forget that and see what's an object looks like. First, we are going to declare a variable. Let's say name is obj, okay, and give it equals to and then open curly braces, okay. Now inside this curly braces, you are going to write the body of an object, okay. So what's an body of an object? First, you give key, that is a name, okay, and then we give John, right? Okay, as suggested, I took that only, and age 25. It is suggesting, so yeah, we don't have to type much. We are here to describe what's going on. So actually, we use object to input different kinds of datas into a single variable. See, you can see we have a name John and his age is 25, okay. So first one is string and second one is integer, and both are in the same variable, that is obj object, okay, assigned into the same variable. Now how we can access this John? By the key. This is the key of value John, okay. This is a value, this is key, and this is value, okay. And his age is 25. How we are going to access this? By the key age, and this is the value of that key, okay. So let's console obj dot, it's one of the key, that is name, okay. Sorry, yeah, if I can write it. Okay, no. Oh, sorry, this one is not one. Yeah. Let's get into the objects, yeah. And then just run this script. Okay. So yeah, you can see that we printed John, and if you want to get its age, then just print the age. Okay. Now, is this only the thing into object? No, object is a very powerful data structure, a kind of data structure, because we store data in it, okay, and it has a significant role in JavaScript, okay. Remember that. So for that, what we are going to see is we are going to see the dynamicities of an object. We can also not read where to say, we can also store not only a string, a boolean, or a integer, or anything kind of, but we can also store an array into this. Suppose, what are the favorite food of John, right? What are this? So now we can store an array into this, okay. So that can be pizza, burger, no, bhatura, that is the famous one in India, chole bhature. And of course we will get one more, that is uh, paneer, okay. Now these are the favorite foods of John, and we have kept it into an array. So an array is also can also come into an object, okay. We can give it as a data, okay, and its key is favorite food. Remember, every data in an object is separated by comma, so this comma is important. Okay, after declaring a key value, then comma, then again separate key value, then again separate key value. Okay, giving that we can also store in this another object inside object. Okay, but we will see later that. First we are going to see a function inside an object. Okay, so what kind of function? Suppose we want John's uh, whole, what to say, whole data. Okay, so just write data and give it a function. Okay, name here, give here keyword function, and just open curly braces. Now return a string literal, our John is of age years old. Okay, this is a function. Now you can see that here is a keyword this. What is this? What is the keyword this into JavaScript? Okay, so right now we will cover this in the later video very thoroughly, very in deep way. Okay, but right now I am just trying to give you a context of it. Okay, wherever the keyword this you find, okay, it represents the context of the object it is present. Okay, so here this is in the context of this whole object obj. Okay, this whole object obj, this means this keyword this is in taking as a whole context obj. Now whatever the variable name present in this object, and if you take that and point out with this, like this dot name, you are going to get the content inside that object. Okay, so this dot name John, this dot age 25. Okay, so as for now remember this, that this keyword is used to get a context in of the object inside which that this keyword is being used. Okay, what context does it point out? That this keyword point the context of all the variables, or the all the context available inside the object it is being used. And here the object is obj. Okay, and here inside that in a function we are using this and taking this dot name and is this dot age. Okay, this is the basic thing in about this for now. Okay, now we are going to call this, data, and let's see if it prints what we want. Okay, see, John is 25 years old. Okay, so it is printing, but if you don't give this thing, it probably uh, give you a error. Okay, a runtime error. What it is giving, name is not defined. Okay, because here you are not giving any parameters. Okay, like this, as you have give, you are not giving before that the parameter, but again it will say undefined. Why? Because we are not passing anything. Like here you can pass Krishna. Okay, and then here it will print Krishna is 25 years old. But again this name is coming from the parameter of the function, and it is been provided by us while calling the function. Okay, but this is not what we want. We want that it will call the name inside the object only. Okay, so it will point out the variable or the context inside the object. Okay, so that's why we are using this here. So these are some of the basic context of using object. What more we can do? We can also make another object. Okay, inside the object, like suppose it is object 2, and we are going to, okay, something is problematic, wait a minute, let me plug into it. Yeah, so you can also define another object inside it. Okay, but probably we are doing some syntax error. What, yeah, we were doing syntax error, we haven't kept that comma thing. And again inside it you can write John, the name Doe. And yeah, John Doe is a famous name, if you know, if you are into the coding world, because we have seen in some of the documents, I think so, and people are adapting that. Okay, anyways, we can declare another object inside an object. Okay, so inside an object data set you can also give another object, so that's not an issue. Okay, and just we are going to call this, so console log, okay, obj dot obj2, and let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so it gave me another object with giving name do age 30. It is printing me the object, okay, nothing else. You can also test these things in either in node, with node, or you can do this in browser. Okay, this similarly gives the same, why am I saying this, I don't know. Okay, yeah, if you also console, if you want to check the whole obj printing it, you can. Okay, yeah, so let me make it bigger. See, name John वगैरह वगैरह, pizza bhatura data function, there is a function data, yeah, with name data, and then again array function. Okay, nothing else. So this is the basic thing about objects. Object is quite a crucial topic. Okay, and yes, it is what else, this is related, this keyword is related to object. It is also quite very much, what to say, important. Okay, and what I have said, that this inside an object, it has been pointed out, it will give the context to of that object only. So here it should give me a do. Okay, so if I will write console.log and give you the object.obj.data to, then see, do is 30 years old. Okay, so as I said that if this keyword is used inside an object, okay, so this keyword actually has much more dynamicities with different type of things. Okay, right now I'm giving you only a single concept of using this keyword into an object. Okay, so if you are using this keyword into an object, it is going to take that uh, object as a context, and it will point out the inside variables of the object inside which this keyword is being used. Okay, just remember this, and it will help you in the further lectures, in the further tutorials, or in your future times. Okay, yeah, so this is about objects, and what we have more we can do is we can, I think, let's comment this out and let's check the type of, okay, of obj. What is type of obj? Type is object. Okay, now different types of the consoles you will get into this as a data type, or whatever you can say. It is integer, object, string, okay, undefined, null you will get, yeah, in consoles. So null is where you have no data. Okay, it is null. Undefined, when things are not defined, okay, into an variable. I will tell you more about that later on. And object is very important, because object type, see, this obj is type object showing. Okay, type of, when we write, it is going to give us the data type, or whatever it is. Okay, yeah, data type of what data type it is. Okay, so type is object. Now remember this, that in JavaScript, much of the things are actually of type object. Okay, so if we are going to console log of type of what, obj dot, okay, favorite food, what we are going to get is object, but still what we know is favorite food is array. So this happens in JavaScript. Okay, in JavaScript, not in much more of the languages like C++ or any Java type of language. Okay, it happens in JavaScript that much of the things, I don't know about other languages, sorry, but in JavaScript much of the things are type of object. Okay, that is the type object. Okay, reason you can find it in Google, but I am going to tell you the deeper aspects in later videos. There are deeper aspects. Okay, and if you think that it is because the array is inside the object, so no, let's make another array. Okay, array, and let's give it some value 1 2 3 4 5 6, whatever it is, 7 till 7, and just console this. Okay, console dot log type of arr. Okay, simple, you will get array, nothing else. Yeah, sorry, object. Yeah, so object. So remember, in JavaScript most of the things are object. Okay, so this is the basic lecture in the object data structure of in JavaScript. We will next meet in next video, and bye. Have take care.